how you been, guys? Well, today I have a little project out. I always like canvas, and I love Chanel. I love the canvas that they make. They're beautiful, but I decided to make it a little bit different. I actually wanted to be almost like a 3D effect. I just didn't want something just there, and I decided to make it a 3D, and also it's going to be a light, which looks amazing. Guys, for this project I actually use these ones, which you're going to use for the bottle of the Chanel. I also use a napkin holder from the Dollar Tree. For the light, I actually got this from the Dollar Tree. And what else we're gonna need? You could use any color. I'm giving you my idea. Actually ran out of the ones that I did the video, but you could use, this is like a base filler. So you could put it inside. What else we're gonna need? I use some glitter. I use the glitter for the logo, which, you know what I do? I actually go to the library. I have printers at home, but I'm kind of cheap, so I went to the library and I printed a bunch of logos. So you don't want it to look so much like paper, so you could Mod Podge and put some glitter on it and it will look very pretty. Also, guys, you're gonna need these. That's gonna be the top, and we're gonna actually put some flowers on it, which looks very pretty. You could use any flowers that you want. I got a big canvas from Michael's, and I use E6000 and a glue gun. Guys, I love what I did. It was a good idea. There was things that I could have done better, but at the end I was like, no, I'm gonna give it to you, and you can make it better. And I hope I hope you join, you subscribe, and if you think I could do something better, or you could do it better, why not? I just give my ideas, and I love what I do, and sometimes I'm like, oh my God, I could have done it better, but I know you could do it better. So enjoy my video, and hopefully you subscribe. See you soon. Bye.